Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me share or recommend this Bitkeep decentralized wallet. So let's stay tuned. The Bitkeep Football Carnival is offering 100,000 rewards. To celebrate World Cup 2022, Bitkeep will hold a Bitkeep Football Carnival from November 18 to December 20th. So remember to join this event. 100,000 giveaway. How do you want to do that? Very simple. Go to Bitkeep website and download the app. After that, register account using my referral link. How do you want to do that? Very simple. I just click invite and you will able to see my invitation code Y1GTYW. So input this and you were able to stand a chance to win this contest. 100,000 giveaway. Alright, so why decentralized wallet? Recently you guys heard about FTX news, FTX collapse, FTX bankrupt. Centralized exchange don't know lah, something wrong lah, huh? So because of these FTX issues, people tend to scared to put their funds in centralized exchange or wallet. So in today's episode, let me share why Bitkeep is something that you should look for or something you should go and use. It's because this wallet is a very easy to use Web3 wallet. It is so convenient. I'm going to tell you a little bit here and there why is it so convenient. So this crypto wallet is actually chosen by 6 million over users. Safe storage for cryptocurrency is take control on your own asset. Because this is a decentralized wallet, you're gonna take control on your own asset because you will get a key phrase, you store your key phrase underneath your bed to ensure nobody actually saw your key phrase. Then the most importantly, you are actually anonymous. You don't need to do KYC, which is something cool about this. This is quite similar to MetaMask, but let me share why is it better than MetaMask. This right now support 76 mainnet that you can actually explore all sort of things including DeFi, DAO, NFTs, and so on and so forth. You can actually trade NFTs and token across multiple chain and get instant result. Meaning that you can just go to this Bitkeep app and go and play around and buy NFTs regardless which chain, because this wallet support cross-chain integration, which is cool. So if you want to know more, if you want to have an account in Bitkeep, I will put down my referral link so you guys can register. So this Bitkeep actually support App Store in iPhone, Google Play Store, or probably Chrome extension as well. So right now, if you look at here, it supports 223,000 token. NFT 100,000, number of users then I mentioned 6.3 million. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see these are their investors, huge, crazy investors. Okay, so let me share or let me show you the app. Okay, because I think the app interface looks cooler. So right now I have my iPhone here and I'm gonna access to this Bitkeep. Right, so this is my wallet and this is how the interface look like, where you can actually see all your tokens here. You want to add tokens, you can go on the right hand side corner, there's a plus button where you can actually plus more tokens. Because of the cross integration function, you can actually swap your tokens from USDT. Let's say I have a USDT in your network and I want to swap it to BNB, for example. So I just go to BNB chain and click BNB. I can just swap directly. Simple. So I don't need to go to exchanges and go and park my USDT there and then go and buy BNB. After buy BNB, I'm gonna withdraw out to my other probably BNB wallet. It's gonna cost so much time. In here, just by one button, you can access and buy BNB straight away by just clicking this one button. Of course, you can see on top there is code where you can see all the pricing. There is even launchpad. If you want to get into all these launchpad, everything is here. You can see from Bitget, from DAO Maker, all the IDO, INO, IWO, everything is here as well. Okay, talking about NFT, because of the cross-chain integration, you are able to buy NFTs everywhere. Doesn't matter is it from Matic, Polygon, doesn't matter is it from BNB, BSC chain, ERC20. We can buy all sort of NFT by just using this app, which is super convenient. I don't think MetaMask are able to do this, right? And you can see dApps. dApps, you can access to all the dApps that you want. For example, you can see Infinite, you can actually go there straight away. DeFi, there's a PancakeSwap, OpenSea. You can just, with one button, just click on it, right? You can access to all sort of things, including there's the airdrop, DeFi, NFT, bridge, exchange tools, GameFi, SocialFi, loan, blah blah blah. You get a picture, right? So everything is in just one wallet, which is super ridiculous convenient, correct? And not just that, before even I talk further, when you use MetaMask, right? When you try to transfer, for example, you have a USDT in BNB or BSC chain, you need to have BNB in order for you to transfer out your USDT out, because you need to use the BNB to pay gas fees. Alright? But if you don't have BNB, what do? You're gonna buy BNB, you're gonna send out your BNB to your wallet, in your MetaMask wallet, so that you are enough to pay the gas fee. But in this case, you don't need to do that, because there is a special features where they will deduct from whatever tokens that you are sending out. For example, right now I have USDT in TRC20 and I don't have Tron right now. But what I can do here is I can send out my USDT in Tron network without Tron. And where does it deduct? It deduct directly from my USDT, which is convenient. So common users are struggling to use decentralized wallet because of all these petty issues that I have to do this, I have to do that. Common users, they don't want to do that, because that's the reason why they want to go into decentralized exchange, because with this one button everything can be done. But right now you have Bitkeep, you can do everything within anywhere. What you want to do, you want to swap, you want to transfer, you don't need to have pay gas fees. I mean, the gas fee you can pay, but you don't need to put in that token if you are using that chain, which is something unique here. Alright, so if you want to know more about Bitkeep, right, I'll put down their social media at the description below, so go and follow their Twitter or their Telegram to find out their latest update. Last but not least, let me show you how you able to get my invitation code. First of all, I will put down the link as well, my reference as well, so you guys can click it and register. But if you go into the app, if you look at Discover on the right hand side corner, there's a Discover button where if you click Invite, you will able to see my invitation code, or probably once you get an account here, you will able to find your own invitation code where you can share to your friends, and this is mine, Y1GTY. So remember to use my referral code and stand a chance to win airdrops tokens. Right, so if you like my episode today, remember to like, share, subscribe. we're gonna see you guys soon. I think this is awesome. You should go and use it, because people are panicking right now, don't know where to store their assets. Bitkeep is the way to go. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.